Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this pocket hearing aid or listening device from the manufacturer to do a review. So let's open it up, look at its features, give it a try. Okay, let's open it up. Comes with a warranty card, pocket hearing aid user manual. This is model LS311. And a pocket hearing aid operation guide. Okay, here is the listening device. Very small. You see it fits easy in the palm of my hand. Probably a couple of inches tall, maybe an inch or so wide. Let's see what else we got. Okay, let's take a close look at what all came with this hearing aid listening device. You have the receiver line here. This will plug in to the top of the pocket device. These are the earplugs that will plug into your left and right ears. It doesn't really matter which one's left or which one's right. You have a couple of packs of different size earplugs here to fit your ear canal, whatever feels the most comfortable and stays in your ear canal. You have a carrying strap that can be used if needed. Then you have the charging cable, USB-A, USB-C. To charge it, you would plug this into the top of the hearing aid device, and then this into a AC adapter into a power source or AC outlet. Takes approximately 2 hours to charge. Then you'll have hours of use thereafter. You have an audio cable that just plug it into the side of the listening device, and this in turn to your cell phone or radio or audio source. Comes with an alligator clip that you can clip your cable to your shirt if needed. Cleaning brush. Very small adjustable screwdriver. So this is where you turn it off and on by pressing it once. This is the volume up and the volume down button. Here's a clip that you can clip it to your shirt pocket or shirt. On the side is the off and on button. To turn it on, you slide the button up, and to turn it off, you slide it down. Then you have this protective plastic cap on the front that gives you access to the noise level adjustments. So this is where you can adjust the low tones and high tones of your noise levels if needed. Came with 2 of these decorative caps. They just snap into place. On the top right, you have a charging indicator light, and on the left, you have a microphone. If you look close here, you have 3 different size earplugs. These are large, medium, and small that you can utilize that best fits your ear canal to ensure that they feel comfortable as well as staying in place. Change these, just pull on it slightly here on the end. And insert the earplug over the receiver. Okay, I put the larger earplugs in my ears, hold them in better, and I can hear my voice very, very well. So to turn it on, just press the center button here, and modes, you have a low frequency, press it again. There'll be a higher frequency, press it again. TV mode, you have to have it plugged into a TV with the right connection or cables in order for it to be directly plugged into a TV. Another feature that this hearing aid listening device has, if you hold this button in for like 5 seconds, it will send out an emergency beep so others around you know that you are needing assistance. When you release the button, it'll stop. So this could be clipped to your shirt or your placed in your shirt pocket or pants pocket. I can hear myself talk very, very well. I really like the fact that the volume overall can be adjusted up higher or lower just by these two buttons here. So this appears to be a very effective pocket hearing aid or listening device. It's got a lot of adjustability in terms of tone inside, volume settings on the side, and variety of sizes of earplugs. So I highly recommend this pocket hearing aid device.